Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook like button to your Wix site. This is a great way to boost your social media presence and make it easier for visitors to engage with your Facebook page directly from your website. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific website settings you need to access. Now you'll be on a page where you can see the website settings displayed. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add the Facebook like button. This step is important because if you manage multiple sites, you'll want to ensure you're working on the right one before making any changes. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This will open up the main editing interface where you can customize your site's design and layout. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can modify the look and functionality of your site. On the left navigation panel, locate the Add Elements menu. This menu is your gateway to all the different components you can add to your website, from text boxes to images to interactive features. From the Add Elements menu, you'll see various elements listed in categories. Scroll through the list and look for the section labeled Social. Click on it to expand the options. Under the Social section, locate Facebook and you'll see the like element listed among other Facebook-related widgets. Simply drag the Facebook like button to your website canvas and position it wherever you wish on your page. You can place it in your header, footer, sidebar, or anywhere that makes sense for your site's design and user experience. And that's it. You've successfully added a Facebook like button to your Wix site, giving your visitors an easy way to connect with your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.